Hey, everybody! Thank you for tuning in and welcome to the 2024 New South Wales State Titles held at Port Macquarie. This is Heat 2 and the rain did not stop. As much as I prayed and hoped, I was unlucky and it did not stop. I don't have to repeat myself, but I'm going to. I'm really not good at all in the wet. If I had more money and more time and was comfortable being drenched and dirty and like spending hours taking like dirt out of the vents and everything in the cart, then, and if I was younger and actually had more skill and potential to actually go somewhere in racing, then I would practice more in the wet and be a lot more better. But that's not how it is. I'm poor, I'm old, and I like to be comfortable when I'm racing, so I take the dry days over the wet nowadays. Back when I was a kid, yeah, I was on the track, racing in the wet, practicing in the wet, not caring at all, having a blast. I still have a blast in the wet as well, just not as much. So, yeah, really horrible in the wet. My starts are really good. I lose confidence, I'd say, after about 4 laps. I don't know how, because usually I'm scared at the starts because I don't trust anyone and everyone's crazy and they don't care about you, so that they'll bump into you, they'll hit the person in front, they'll slam on the brakes, they'll spin. It's always chaotic at start, so usually I'm very not scared when it's in the dry. Usually I'm very hesitant and I hold back a bit and just stick where I am, and then after the first lap, second or third lap, I usually start pushing and being aggressive. But my starts in the state title weekend were fairly good. I wasn't aggressive, but I saw openings and I took them, which is a bit surprising. I do want to say I apologise about the camera. Obviously it is raining, it is a bit dirty, so you're going to lose a bit of vision during the end of the race because it starts to dry up a bit. Understandable if you don't want to watch it all, but I do get stuck behind, well, not stuck, but I do get behind a driver the whole race and just struggle to pass or to keep up with him. But yeah, watch it all please, enjoy, and thank you.